Good morning. All right, guys, so today we're going to do Envision Lesson 11-5, and we're going to use mental math. Remember, that's using our brain to think about what is 10 less than any number, okay? So we're going 10 less. Remember, we've used a number chart to help us with 10 less, but we're going to try to really think about it and see if we can just use our brain for it, okay? So we're going to warm up with our solve and share, and it says, suppose you have 89 trading cards, and you want to give your friend 10 of them. How could you find how many cards you have left over without using paper and pencil? Okay, so maybe we don't have paper and pencil and we have to figure it out. So on the screen, you can see that they went ahead and gave us 89 counters. And we can tell because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. And then this 10 is just missing 1, so I know it's 9. So 89. So if I have 89 and I'm subtracting a 10, remember I'm subtracting a 10. I'm not messing with the ones at all. So whenever I subtract tens, the ones are always going to stay the same. So in 89, how many leftover ones does it have? 9. Very good. Okay, so then I can just think of about it as 8 tens take away 1 10. So if I have 8 tens, and I take away 1. What's 8 take away 1? 7. Very good. It's just 1 less. So 1 less 10. So then I have a 7 tens, and 9 ones. So what number is that? 79. Now remember, there's also a pattern. You can think about going backwards. You could say 89, 79, 69, 59, 49, 39. You can hear because that 9 stays the same. Remember, the 1 stays the same. All we're doing is going down 1 10. Okay? All right, we're going to watch a quick little video that's going to help us with this. All right, here we go.
You have used different ways to subtract tens. Find 35 minus 10. You can use a model to help. How do the blocks show that you subtracted 35 minus 10?
Okay, how does it show 35 minus 10? Well, I had 35 because I had 3 tens and 5 ones. Remember when we cross things off, that's how we're showing that we subtracted. So we subtracted 1 10.
First, they show 3 tens rods and 5 ones cubes for 35. Then they show that 1 10, or 10, is subtracted by crossing out one of the tens rods. How does the 100 chart show that you subtracted 35 minus 10? A circle is drawn around the number 35. Then an arrow goes up 1 row to 25. Both ways show the same answer. 35 minus 10 equals 25. You can also use mental math to subtract 10. What is the tens digit in the number 35? The tens digit in 35 is 3. What is the tens digit in the number 10? The tens digit in 10 is 1. What basic fact do you know that can help you find 35 minus 10?
Remember, we know 3 take away 1. And so you can see over here they put 3 take away 1 is 2. So I know I need to add 2 tens over there.
You can use the basic fact 3 minus 1 equals 2. So 35 minus 10 equals 25. When you subtract 10, the tens digit goes down by 1. Subtract 10 from these numbers.
Okay, are you ready? We're going to try it together. All right, so 46 take away 10. So let's look. Remember, our ones are going to stay the same, but we are going to look at the tens and say 4 take away 1 equals 3. So this number should have 3 tens, and then remember that 6 is going to stay the same because the ones haven't changed. So a 3 and a 6, which is 36. Very good. Okay, what about the next one? 78 take away 10. I want you to take a minute and think about that. What fact can we use to help us with this? I know 7 tens take away 1 10 would be 6 tens. 7 take away 6. So 6. So I know it's going to start with 6 tens, and then I had 8 ones, which remember doesn't change. So 6 tens and 8 ones is 68. Very good. What about 95 take away 10? If I have 9 tens and I take away 1 10, I'm left with 8 tens. That's right, because 9 take away 1 equals 8. And then I had 5 ones. I remember I didn't change the 1, so I need 8 tens and 5 ones. So what number would that be? 85. Very good. So 46 take away 10 is 36. 78 take away 10 is 68. 95 take away 10 is 85.
Minus 10 equals 36. 78 minus 10 equals 68. 95 minus 10 equals 85. In each of these problems, which digit changes in the differences?
Remember, we're subtracting 10, so the tens digit changes.
Decreases by 1. The ones digit stays the same. Why is that? It's always decreased by 1 because you are subtracting 1 10. The ones digit always stays the same because 10 has 0 ones. So no ones are being subtracted.
Remember, when subtracting tens, the tens digit changes, but not the ones digit.
All right, so we're going to practice that skill real quick, okay? Up at the top, it's just showing you what we did in the video, okay? And then the first one, they kind of helped us out with, they said 26, take away 10, and then they said it was 16. See, they're showing, cross off 1 10, then I have 1 10 and 6 ones left over, which would be 16. Let's try the next one. 32, take away 10. So I'm going to cross off one of my 10s. Now I'm left with how many 10s? 3 take away 1 equals 1, 2, and then how many 1s? 2, because I didn't touch the ones at all, okay? Now we're going to do the mental part. Are you ready? 98 take away 10. So remember, I'm going to look at the 9 10s and the 1. So what's 9 take away 1? 8. That's right, it's just 1 less, 8. And then remember, my 1s stay the same because it's 8 take away 0, so it doesn't change. So I have 8 10s and 8 1s, so it would be 88. Very good. How about 44 take away 10? I'm going to look at the 4 and the 1. What's 4 take away 1? 3. Very good. And then our 1s, 4, and I didn't take anything away, so the 4 stayed the same. Good job. Because look, our 1s are going to stay the same if we're taking away a 10 because we're not messing with them. All right, we're going to use some other ones, okay? So here we go. 53 take away 10. So what's 5 take away 1? We're going to look at our 10s. That's right, 5 take away 1 is 4. And then my 1s, I had 3 1s. I didn't take any away, so it stayed the same. So I need to put 3. So 53 take away 10 equals 43. Now, some of you guys might just see the pattern and can just write the numbers, but we're going to go ahead and go through them just in case, okay? You guys just know this one. What's 20 take away 10? It's just 10. That's right, because remember, 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay, how about 32 take away 10? Look at my 10s. I had 3 10s. I took 1 away. So what's 3 take away 1? 2. Very good. And then I had 2 1s and I didn't take anything away. So that 2 stays the same. So 32 take away 10 equals 22. This is another 10. So this one's easy. What's 80 take away 10? Well, what's 8 take away 1? 7. Very good. And then I had 0 ones. I didn't take anything away, so I know my 1s has to be 0. So 80 take away 10 equals 70. Now this one's going to try to trick you. Let's see. I had 1 10 and I took 1 10 away. Well, if I have 1 and I take 1 away, how many 10s do I have left? 0. I have 0 10s, so I can't write anything in the 10s column. And then I have those 7 1s that I didn't touch. So 17, take off that 10 is just left with the 7. What about 60 take away 10? I had 6 10s. I took 1 away, so 6 take away 1 equals 5. Very good. And then I had 0 ones. I didn't touch it for the 0 ones, so I'm just going to put my 0. So 60 take away 10 equals 50. 47, I had 4 10s. I take away 1. What's 4 take away 1? 3. Very good. And then I had 7, and I took away 0 from it, so that 7 stayed the same. So 47 take away 10 is 37. Okay, I had 8 10s, and I took away 1 10 from it. So what's 8 take away 1? 7. Very good. And then remember, my 5 1s stayed the same because I didn't take anything from it. So 85 take away 10 is 75. All right, and then over here, look at this one. 11 take away 10. So that 1 10 is going to be taken away, so I don't have any 10s left. And look, 11 is just 10 plus 1, so all I have left over is a 1. Very good. Okay, at the bottom it says subtract using 10 frames and mental math. Complete the related addition facts. So look, I've got 1, 2, 3 10s and 9 1s, okay? So 39, if I take one of those 10s off, then I'm left with how many 10s? 1, 2, and then how many 1s left over? The 9, that's right. But look at this problem. It's saying blank plus 10 equals 39. So what it's wanting us to think about is if I add this 10 to a number back, what's the other part have to be? If one part is 10, then the other part has to be what we subtracted here, so it's got to be 10, 20, 29. And we can check that by looking at our problem. What's 2 plus 1? So 2 10s plus 1 10 would equal 3 10s. And then 9 1s plus 0 1s would equal 9. So it's just trying to get us to flip our numbers so we make sure that we understand. Okay, Jamal has 43 stamps on his desk. He puts 10 stamps in a notebook. How many stamps are left? So we're going to look at this part, whole math. So up here we have 43. We know one part is 10 because we're taking 10 away. So if I take 10 away, I can look at my 10s and say, I had 4, I'm going to take 1 away. So what's 4 take away 1? 3, very good. And then I had 3 1s, I didn't take anything from it, so I just have 3 1s left over. So 33 stamps would be left. All right, we're going to try the next one. It says, Ed brings 27 oranges home. His family eats 10 of them. How many oranges does Ed have? Find the difference. Remember, when we hear that word difference, we are finding and subtracting, okay? Because difference means how much apart they are. So I had 27. The family ate 10 of them, so 10 of them are gone. So let's look at those 10s. I had 2 10s. I took 1 away. So 2 take away 1 is just 1. And then remember my 1s, I had 7 1s. I didn't do anything to it, so I had that 7 1s left. So what's 1 10 and 7 1s? 17. Very good. All right, we're going to skip number 17, and we're going to just try our assessment today. Okay, it says, Marta has 44 beads. She uses 10 of the beads to make a necklace. How many beads does she have left? Write and solve the equation for this story. So the equation is the problem. So here's those important words we want to look at. How many does she have left? That means that we have taken a part of it away, okay? Because it says she had 44 to start off with, and she used, so they went away, 10 of them. So we need 44, take away 10. So let's look at our 10s. I had 4 10s, I took 1 away. What's 4 take away 1? 3, very good. And then 1s, I had 4 1s, I didn't take anything away from it, so I have 4 1s left. So 34 beads, because 44 take away 10 equals 34. All right, let's just quickly look at what homework problems you're going to be doing today. Okay, at the bottom of the page, 1 through 6 are just really quick taking the 10s away using mental math, okay? So you're going to do 1 through 6 on the bottom of the first page. Then on the back, I want you guys to do 7 through 12. You do not have to do 13, you do not have to do 14, and you do not have to do 15, okay? All right, so you have 12 problems to do, but they're really, really quick, all right? All right, you guys did an awesome job. Thank you.